Aww. Steven and his
What's out there?
Can I open these bracelets?
What's out there?
Of course.
Ruff, ruff.
Ruff, ruff.
Ruff, ruff.
Isabel, do you say dog? Steven, woof, 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 woof. She doesn't say dog.
Say, dog, don't leave your stuff behind.
Don't leave your junk. Oh my god, they're so cute with this. I love seeing them at the window like that. It reminds me, they did this in Nantucket. We have some pictures of that.
Yeah.
I know, I love it. I love it. And then he gets so entertained by this dog. So this did you take? Mine are chewable.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
So that was better.
Steven, look at that doggy.
Those baby ass friends.
Isabel, what are you going to do about that doggy? Huh?
I made some of these blueberries, if you don't mind. Blueberries are very good for you. Why would I mind? Oh, can I come back and roll? Yeah.
Steve, what's going on with your pants over there, pal?
I'm
Huh?
gonna listen a little bit. Yeah, he needs new pajamas. Well, those I think he's just throwing out of there, packing away. I like the feetsy pajamas better. You do? Yeah. I just feel like she slips.
Oh. Say bye-bye.
You don't feel like he slips?
Bye-bye. Love you.
No.